join me in welcoming Chef Thomas Keller.
And that is our job, right? To continue to make the next generation better than we are through the knowledge and experience that we have and the sharing and examples that we set for them. These tables were the prototype of the tables that we still have in the restaurant. And, Stanley, we met at the restaurant, as he said, 25 years ago. We became friends. And he encouraged me countless times to try his new cookware. And so I said, okay, we'll try it. In every way, it's better. Better conductivity, more even heat, recuperation of temperature much faster. Every single restaurant has Hestan cookware in it, not because I endorse it, but because it's strictly better. If I wasn't endorsing it, I wasn't part of it, I would still be using Hestan.